Hello everyone, I'm Maria and I'm designer of PolushkaBunny Toys, and I'm so excited to be able to reveal to you my new beautiful works, knitted toys. For those of you that don't know, I'm a toy designer and crochet knitting pattern writer. And today's video is so fun. We're gonna go over my new knitting patterns for bear, bunny, and lamb. So let's get into it. First of all, I would like to talk about the yarn I use and recommend you for these projects. My absolutely favorite yarns are Drops Air and Knit Picks Wonder Fluff. It's here, sorry for the mess. These yarns are baby alpaca combined with merino wool, so it's super soft and fluffy yarns. And it's good to know that the texture of this is called blown in, what means that alpaca and merino blend is blown inside of nylon or polycord. This makes the yarn extremely light and soft. But in my patterns, I always give a list of substitutes, which all of them are tested by myself and highly recommended. So, one of them is 100% acrylic yarn, Bernard satin yarn. I have a head here made with this yarn. You can see the knitted fabric is very smooth, nice and pleasant to the touch. Some words I can tell about current Simply Soft. It's 100% acrylic as well, and here you can see the result. It's head for the kitty toy I'm working on. So it's medium fluffy, tiddy and very nice. Besides this, I provide all yarn info such as yarn weight and important parameter weight laid, plus tension info, so you will easily decide which yarn from your stash fits your projects. What about total weight for toys? And it's pretty low budget projects. You need only 2 skeins. What is total? 100 grams. So I recommend you to buy one good alpaca yarn and enjoy the process. Secondly, what I would like to talk about is skill level. For knitting toy patterns, I use 2 knitting ways. The bunny is knitted in round on double pointed needles, so no seams at all. The bear and the lamb are worked flat and seamed. Both these ways you need to know only how to purl, knit, increase and decrease. That's it. So it's pretty easy, right? I would love to hear from you what way you prefer, because some of knitters don't know how to work on double pointed needles and some of knitters hate seaming. I like both ways, depends on my mood. And by the way, you can find useful video on my channel how I seam my toys. Next, I definitely want to tell some words about stuffing. I make crocheted and knitting toys, and my experience showed me that for amigurumi toys, which made by hook, it's better to use polyester cluster fill-in. For the knitted toys, the best choice is usual polyester fiberfill. Shortly about these 2 stuffing. Polyester cluster fill-in is made up of small groups of stuffing material, all clustered together to form main bulk. It's firmer than the second stuffing option, polyester fiberfill, also known as polyfill stuffing. It has airy structure, extremely lightweight and plushy. It holds the knitted toy shape perfectly. Also, I would love to familiarize you with the pattern structure. All my patterns have necessary yarn info, list of yarn substitutes, tension info, list of tools and its sizes, abbreviations and its descriptions, plus knitting instructions cover some specific knitting stitches. For example, if it's necessary to use a specific increase or decrease. What's more, I give tips related to how to stuff your toys, and there are step-by-step instructions how to attach all the parts to each other, and tips about making up ices, nose, and final touch tips. The pattern is built as written row by row instruction accompanied by detailed pictures. I don't want if any of you to feel that you are not able to ask question or make some smart suggestion, and I truly welcome any great ideas, so please feel free to comment this video, and I'm so excited about this review and I hope it will be really helpful for you, my crafters. So have a good day, crafty hugs, bye.